So press and hold that lower button.
Unlock button.
Unlock button.
It's unlocked.
Mirrors are unfolding. Windows are coming down. Press and hold the lock button. And mirror is folding. Windows are closing. This is wireless charging. It has wireless charging feature, so let's place it there. Now it's not charging. Yes, it's charging, but it's also connected to the USB cable. Seat Ateca 2016. USB ports, Android Auto, automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, these two are for the roof, for that cover. You can open this window also. Blow the air to the feet, front. Temperature for the right side, temperature for the left side. Increase, decrease. That's the airflow. More air, less air, and temperature individually controlled.